started day 2 and we're starting it in the hammocks. So today we're starting on the river. We're gonna go looking for monkeys. The tour guide said that there are 7 types of monkeys. Normally we see about 3 species of the 7 species of monkeys, but if we're lucky, we might see all 7.
Boat.
Expecting food.
It's coming to the boat. It's coming to the boat.
First monkey. First monkey.
Oh, Mark, he's coming straight to you to say hi.
That scared me.
He's like escaped finally off of Monkey Island. That's the second movie, Escape from Monkey Island.
Mikey looks like it has a human head.
Kind of a butt chin.
Many of them. And that is something that we don't stop over.
All of the ones we've seen so far are common woolly monkeys, and we just encountered our first baby.
The monkey can process the toxic seeds, the black wapo. Just ran away.
The one you just saw is called the Titi monkey, T-I-T-I.
So the size of the
Look at that tree.
mouth after you touch it.
Okay, man, want to.
Be careful, Ezra. There are spikes behind it.
Be careful, there's a bunch of spikes.
Oh God, I accidentally. Oh God, that's so hard to hold on to.
Ahorita nos vamos.
Oh God.
Está falta todavía. Hands. You just squeeze them like this. Face, neck, everywhere. Smell.
Oh well.
You know the termites are not ants. Those are the same family but different species. So what they do is
bite?
they swallow. No, they don't bite. They just swallow the wood, and inside of the little tiny stomach they have like intestinal parasite. That is the one that is gonna make them.
On this nest of termites to repel
But yeah,
mosquitoes.
Por allá
you
te
do
encuentro
this.
más ratito. ¿Ya? Ya ahí a la puerta nos encontramos. Ya. Ya, listo.
They don't bite.
No.
And now you go like, oh God, you go like this. It smells good. Tamarine monkey. Really? Let's go. Let's go in. I'm a little bit too small.
It's unbelievable.
I want to go in though.
Oh, just for all that.
It's full of bats. Yeah? Take care.
No thanks, it was bad. The guide
He-
said that was small.
You see the skin around here, it looks like snake skin.
Small, I can't.
Rocky area, but usually so bats are used in part of the tree holes. Yeah, but before made for termites or another thing.
Yeah, that's a bat.
Yeah, and they so they could use the hole.
You know why?
So,
It's
rubber tree.
like a 50-50 present information like on bad and good sides.
How do you like make
This is the main reason because many Europeans, French and English people came in the 18th and in the rubber boom time, and then they killed a lot of indigenous people. So they came here and make these indigenous people slaves.
And what did how did they?
is this like
Night monkeys are a fifth type of monkey.
We're sorry, we didn't get the fourth monkey on video, but it was the saddleback tamarin.
Amazonian marmot bird, a very long tail.
Somebody found a monkey skull. Wait, what happened to the tooth? It fell. Okay. Well, now it's toothless. Now we're in the neighboring town, the one right next to where we're staying, called Porto Miguel, and it's a town inside of the rainforest. And now we're going into a school.
In the village. Hola. Looks like a school.
So I'm just going and walking with my guests, and then I hear something like a toucan. We go to the place and it's that bird making the same sound. Yeah, this one.
what is the word called? Imitating?
This is a football field.
Just around here in the middle of it.
Actually a soccer field, as you would know it. Now we're on a boat again, looking for caimans, which are like alligator-like creatures.
Thank you very much.
Sloth. That's so cool. These are water plants where their roots are inside of the water, but they're not connected to the ground inside of the water. So I'm gonna try to scoop one up.
Nice.
And then you just drop it back in. Look, I found one in its holes.
Maybe something nibbled on it.
Or maybe somebody pulled out a hole puncher and just went boom, 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 boom. Anyway,
I'm
bye.
gonna go with the first explanation, but okay.
Oh my gosh, that thing was huge. Yes, that thing was that.
It's upside down eating.
And it's a sloth?
It's like a snack time maybe, or dinner time to be honest, because it's gonna get dark and they will end up eating and go to sleep.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
I mean, what else you can do in this dark? Just to sleep.
What is making this noise?
A bird. It's an oropéndola. It's the same bird we saw in the village this afternoon. We went making the same sound, something like that. Oropéndola. Ya hemos encontrado un Godzilla, hemos visto allá. Dice Delvin ahí. Hemos visto una jirafa.
Okay. Ah, good up.
Ajá.
That's so cool, you can see.
No tenemos bien para encontrar, no podemos. Vamos a entrar hasta la guerra, ¿sí? Yeah. It's moving. It's changing the position now.
Giant lily pads, but they're spiky on the bottom, so we can't grab them. Look at that thing. Spiky.